see how this white blends out. If it doesn't blend out, I'll tell you a little trick that you can make it blend out. Never mind, there's no video there. There's nothing to show. I look great. Alright, bye. Alright, you guys thought I was gonna leave you hanging like that. No way. Just had to find the right color to show this little trick with you guys. So, you can tell I cut it off here, and I cut it off here. And I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but you can actually see a little bit of a difference. It looks a little bit yellower. But this color is fine because I've done a spray cut on it, and it looks fine when you butt match up to it. And I mean, I could just go all the way over there, but for the sake of the video, I want to show you how I do it. So on this side, I just went right over because they had some primer spots there. But here, what I'm going to do is I'll explain what I did. So after I had coverage on the bumper, which was brand new, and then on the primer spots on the hood, what I did is I grabbed off a little bit, okay? So just kind of gauge how much you need. I don't know exactly the measurements, but just the more you dilute it, the more that you put. So I put reducer, right? T494. This is PPG water-based, by the way. And then I put T490, which is what you mix your mid coat for your pearls. And then I just made it very, very transparent. Play around with that, with what works for you, with your temperature and all that stuff, and you can play around with that. But basically what I'll do is I'll just, I can go over the whole thing, or you can just do your blend area. And that will soften that blend and it will disappear. So I'll show you how I do that now. You can see it's very transparent. So now I'm just going to blend it out like I normally do. Just like that. Boom. That's it. That's all you need. And then that will blend out beautiful. Perfect. Because now you have the white that is very, very soft. And it doesn't have a lot of strength, so I'll just blend everything together very nicely. And I'll show you how it looks like after I clear it. All right. There you have it, boys and girls. So now you can't see a transition, you can't see anything, and that's what that's going to help you do when you mix the. If you're having a certain white, sometimes whites is a pain in the butt to blend. Sometimes, so try this next time you have a problem with that, and it might help you a lot. And don't be afraid to just over reduce it a lot and put the 490 in it. And basically make it like a pearl coat, all right? And just try that out. Let me know how it works. Like this video, subscribe. I hate saying that. I really freaking do. But I have to remind you or else you won't do it. And I'm just a guy, you know, like, who is this guy talking? Who is this guy, you know, in front of a camera here pretending he knows what he's talking about? But to some people. But I know that some of you really appreciate this video, so I appreciate you for that. I love you. God bless you. Take care. Peace out.